The tally wagon. It's all our gear. My suitcases. Which side? Right, left?
Here we go. Yeah, that on the side, or on the back of the truck.
Back?
Yeah, on the back of the truck.
Cho fan được, cho kiếm cho ra. Đã thì nên có tiền mới viết thêm mà viết gì? Anh không.
Okay.
Thôi đã, thôi là tao có men viện nào.
They have a what?
Got a bar on board.
A bar? Are you thirsty? You want a beer? Ian, can you swim?
No.
No?
I don't know how to swim.
Grab a hold of my back.
Oh, he needs to go also. Vẫn phải đợi anh này.
So we're on a cable or something? No, we're not on a cable. We're just tooling. How are we even doing this? I know, right? So the water took out the bridge when in the rainy season is way up. Are we on a cable? No? So if we hit all that shit over there, we're in pretty big trouble, right?
One of those little PX engines you do, on generators and everything.
Yeah. I've got one on a generator at home.
Yeah, I've got a little old, it's quite an old generator. Honestly, you can leave it for like 18 months. I think second pull it goes.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah. Their carburetors don't stop up, they just go. They always go, right?
What do they call it? A bell thruster.
Thank you. You're good. Whoa.
Before we go, do you want a drink?
Yeah.
The rest of them will have to suffer because the lights.
Diet Coke. I never thought I'd love Diet Coke, but it don't taste. It's different here than it is in the States. I promise.
It?
Oh yeah, it tastes a lot better here. I guess it's.
See you later. Well, you'll probably come past us in a bit.
I wonder what's in it.
Coke. Asian Coke.
I know. What kind of sweetener was what I was getting at, Ian? Come on, man. We got aspartame. This stuff is cancer.
Yeah, it's a bit grim, isn't it?
Yeah. Hey, try to keep it going today. You did good yesterday.
This is the problem is at the moment we're getting things. You look at the bumps and you think, oh, they're all right, and then you realise that you go, oh shit. Are the children there?
Have fun. Bye. Alright, that's enough video.